Welcome to my course on how to make money online as a Clickbank affiliate marketer. I'm going to provide my 5-step blueprint to make money from Clickbank in this course. This is not just a basic internet marketing course. You're going to get my step-by-step money-making system which can bring you guaranteed earnings from Clickbank within 2 to 3 weeks. And you're also going to get my software 100% free with the course. This software can bring you tons of laser-targeted traffic to your website using internet marketing. Before we get into the course, let me introduce myself. I'm Rufina and I have over 7 years of experience in internet marketing. I have a lot of Clickbank sites which makes me a good passive income for the past 2 years. And in this course, I'm just going to explain the same technique that I'm following for myself as a successful Clickbank marketer. At the end of the course, you will be able to find best niches that has a very high potential for Clickbank. You will learn to build a good quality Clickbank website. You will also get my website traffic generation blueprint to bring instant traffic to your site. And above all, you will learn how to successfully create your Clickbank account and get started to make money with it. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or doubts anywhere in the course. I'm always there to support you. So I hope you have got some idea about what this course is all about. In the next lecture, I will give you an overall view of what we are going to learn in each section.